UniCredit Bank HypoVereinsbank HVB Mastercard Kreditkarte Ehrliche review, and Nutzererfahrung. Looking for a credit card in Germany? The UniCredit Bank HypoVereinsbank HVB Mastercard promises convenience, rewards, and security. Here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong, assuming all credit cards are similar. The surprising truth is this card combines everyday spending benefits with travel-friendly perks, making it versatile for both local and international use. Applying was simple. The online application process was fast, and approval came within a few days. Activating the card and linking it to mobile payment apps was smooth, and the app provides clear account management. One standout feature is cash back on everyday purchases, plus bonus points for select categories like travel and dining. I noticed the rewards accumulate quickly, and points can be redeemed for vouchers or travel discounts. Security is robust. Contactless payments, two-factor authentication, and instant notifications on transactions make it easy to monitor spending and prevent fraud. The only downside is the annual fee, which may not be ideal if you don't use rewards frequently. Additionally, foreign transaction fees exist, though they are reasonable compared to some competitors. In conclusion, the HVB Mastercard is a solid choice for those who want a reliable, feature-rich credit card in Germany. If cashback, travel benefits, and security matter to you, it's worth considering.